In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create journal entries in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a seasoned accountant or just getting started with bookkeeping, mastering the art of journal entries is a vital skill for accurate financial record keeping. So let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, you'll need to sign into your account. Open QuickBooks Online in your web browser, and when prompted, go ahead and click on the Sign In button. This is your gateway to managing all your financial details in one convenient location. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to the main dashboard. From here, locate and choose QuickBooks Online if you're asked to select the version you're using. This will ensure that you're accessing the correct platform and have all the features you'll need at your fingertips. Next, you'll need to enter your account credentials. Type in your username and password, then click Continue to securely access your account. Make sure you're entering the correct information to avoid any login issues and to keep your data secure. After you've successfully logged in, you're ready to create a new journal entry. Navigate to the left-hand side of your screen and click on the New option. This menu is a hub of all actions you can initiate in QuickBooks Online, so take a moment to get familiar with it, as it will make navigating the platform much easier. Now that the menu is open, find and click on Journal Entry. This feature allows you to manually record transactions that aren't automatically recorded by QuickBooks, such as depreciation or accrued expenses. With the journal entry form open, you can start adding details. Begin by choosing the initial account for your entry on the first line. Simply type in the account name or select it from the drop-down menu. This account typically represents where the money is coming from or going to. Now, it's time to enter more specifics about this transaction on the first line. Make sure to fill in the amount, description, and any other relevant details. These are crucial for providing context to your entry and for maintaining clear records for future reference. Next, move on to the second line of your journal entry. This is where you'll add the other account involved in the transaction. Just like before, select the correct account and input the necessary details. Entries generally require at least 2 accounts to ensure that your books stay balanced. Add additional details to the second line to mirror the first, ensuring all information is clear and accurate. Proper record keeping here will save you a lot of time and effort when reviewing financial statements later on. Finally, before saving, take a moment to review all the details of your journal entry. Double check that all information is correct and that the debit and credit amounts are balanced. Once you're confident everything looks good, click on Save and New if you wish to create another entry, or simply save to exit. This final step ensures your data is securely logged within QuickBooks, and that's it. Creating journal entries in QuickBooks Online is a simple yet powerful tool in your accounting toolkit, helping you maintain precise and up-to-date financial records. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping.